Hello everyone, welcome to the video. I really appreciate you taking the time to watch this. Today we're just going to go through how we're going to organize the first couple of lessons this term. So as you might have heard, we're going to be going online for at least the first few lessons, and the method we're going to be using is on demand, which means I'm going to upload some materials to our online class, which I'll ask you to download and to complete in your own time, and also to do a few assignments here and there as well. So I'm going to be asking you to use Google Classroom for at least the first few lessons this term, and we're going to go through that today. I'm going to try and give you some advice about how to use it. Even if you're familiar with Google Classroom, please take the time to watch this video. And if you've got any questions whatsoever, please let me know. So let's get started. Okay, so step one to getting into your Google Classroom is to log into your Gmail account. Next up, please click on these 9 little circles here. This will take you to all of the Google applications, and these should be there automatically. You don't need to download anything. Then please scroll down to the Classroom button and click on here, and it should take you to your classroom. So we're going to use this classroom today. It says an example class, and hopefully we can go through some of the important things that you might need to know about. So we're just going to click on this class to enter. And we've got the name of the class. This is the class code if you're joining the class. And underneath, this is the Google Meet link, which I'll talk about a bit more later. So for the class each week, I will use the Stream tab to post details for our lessons. So please read this very carefully and try and look out for any attachments. So the attachments can be a little bit tricky. So if you click on here, it will automatically open onto Google Slides, but sometimes we can't hear the audio, which is very important. So what you should do to fix this, these 3 dots, click, open a new window. And this will take us here. Then click on this button, download. When you download this, it will take you to the PowerPoint slideshow, which is here, and you can go through the class as normal. So you can see the audio here. So you can start the presentation with this button, or you can look at the top of the screen and look at the slideshow tab. If you click on here, there'll be an option to start the slideshow from the beginning. So click on play from start and you'll see the very beginning of the slideshow. So you can just click ahead and that audio file will play automatically. And I'll try and put some very clear, easy details on each of the slides. Please be sure to listen to the audio files for each slide, just to make it nice and easy for you. And if you want to, you can click on the play button here and you can listen to this automatically. You can pause the audio, you can replay it if you'd like to listen to it more than once. And please remember that these lessons are replacing a 90-minute class. So please take your time, go through nice and slowly, and of course, if there are any questions about the audio or any trouble with the slideshows, please let me know. So once again, make sure you download the file so you can hear the audio much more clearly. So back to our Google Classroom. If you have any questions or comments, you can write them here just underneath and I'll see those. Okay, so once you've done, just click on that arrow and it will automatically be sent. or you can start a new conversation, a new message, and this will be shown to the entire class. So if there are any group discussions, you can use this. You can upload a file, add a link, or you can even embed some YouTube videos. So there's lots of options here. When you're finished, just click on Post, and that will be seen by everybody in the class. The next tab we're going to look at is Classwork, and this is where we're going to have our homework. So I'm going to make a very quick example homework for you here. So there'll be a title, there'll be some instructions about what you need to do, and also I might upload a file, a link, or a YouTube video. So if it's graded, it should show you as well. I'll put a deadline and I'll create a topic as homework. So there are two ways you can find this homework. First up, in the Stream tab, if you click on here, you should be taken to that particular homework that you need to finish up. And these are the instructions. This is what it should look like for you. Option 2, you can go to the Classwork tab. If you click on here, and you'll get a list of all of the homeworks that you need to do. So you just got the title of the homework, and also the deadline or the due date is also written. Very, very important. Please try not to miss these deadlines. One last thing we're going to look at today is the information at the top of the classroom. So at the very top you can see the class code, and this is what you will need to enter to join the class in the first place. The second thing we're going to look at is what's called the Meet link. So our lessons are going to be on demand, so I don't think we will need this, but just in case, if you need to talk to me and you want to do it via a camera, you can click on this Meet link and it will take us directly to Google Meet. So it might take a little while to load up, but please wait patiently. You have to allow your computer to use your microphone and your camera, and please dismiss this warning as well. So before you join, you'll have a chance to see what your camera and your microphone look and sound like. So this is my background here. I'm going to join. Apologies if my bedroom looks a little bit messy. So here at the bottom, this is the chat function, and you can type and talk to everyone in the class. And at the bottom, you can turn off your microphone if you need to mute yourself. There we go, you can't hear me. Next up, this is to turn off your camera, but please keep your camera on when you're talking to me. It makes life much easier for me. And last up, this is the present now. If you're doing a presentation and you want to share your screen, click on this square and then click on share screen. And last up, to leave the call, just click on this red button and you'll automatically leave the call. So that's the Google Meet link. I don't think we will need this, but just in case, that's how we use that. So once again, you can find the homework in the Classwork tab at the top, and the details for each class will be here in the stream. And if you've got any questions, you can contact me via Google Classroom, or if you would prefer, you can email me as well. So either way will be easy for me. But if you do have any questions, please don't be embarrassed. Please do ask. Okay, so thank you very much for watching the video today. I really do appreciate it. If you've got any questions about using these online learning platforms, please contact me and I'll try and help out as best I can. I know this is not the ideal way to conduct a class, but I really am going to try hard to try and make our lessons as fun and as interesting as possible. So if anything is confusing or anything is very, very difficult, please do not hesitate to contact me. I'll be more than happy to help. But I hope you have a fantastic day. Thanks again for watching, and hopefully I will see you very soon.